Today I am sharing with you an unboxing as well as a project share of some items I received from an online arts and crafts supply shop called Queenacraft. I am going to leave the link to the store down in my description box below. You have to check it out. It is a beautiful, beautiful online shop. I love it. It's just beautiful. So I received my package, and when I opened it up, there was this really lovely card, and I thought it was so nice that they added this touch, and it gives you their social media links, and just if there's anything wrong with your packaging, they'd said, let us know, right? So they have like an email address for you there, but I just thought that was a really, really nice touch. And then they also sent me this complimentary little book. I thought it was so cute and pretty. It's got lined little pages in it, so I thought that was pretty cool. I'm going to share with you the items that I received from them as they reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try out some of their products. So the first thing I'm going to share is this wood block stamp, and it is an antique postmark, and it says Paris on here. I have really been enjoying making my own stamp embellishments, and I had one little stamp that just had like a round circle like this, but I wanted something that had like the lines so it looked like an actual canceled stamp. And also then you could also like make envelopes and stamp it. Anyway, so I wanted to try this out. And then I also got these. These are like washi stickers, but oh my word, look at how long they are. These are so fun. It's got some gold foiling and orange and lots of like a vintage ephemera. And then this one here, this is more botanical with some foil and a little bit of vintage. I thought these were gorgeous, and I thought they would be really, really cool to embellish a page or a tag. Yeah, I just thought these were so cool. And then I found these foil stickers, and they're clear, and I like these because they covered a lot of different seasons. There's Christmas as well as fall, and then summer. This could be used year-round, just depending on what you use. Like this right here is poinsettia, and this one here would be probably mistletoe. So I would save those for Christmas time, but the leaves and acorns and the rose, like that can be used other times a year as well. So I just thought it was really pretty. So I picked out a couple of die cutting sets, and they are like stamps. Now they had some pretty unique die cuts in their shop, so definitely go check it out. And of course, like I said, I'm into making my own stamp embellishments, so I thought this would make it easier for me as I was cutting them, which I still am going to do because it does give a bit of a different texture on the edge. But I really, really wanted to try these. And look at the packaging. It comes in its own Ziploc bag, which I think is fantastic. And it has a sticker on it so you know the shop that these came from. So I thought that was excellent. And then lastly, I got this package, and it contains a whole bunch of stickers, journaling cards, assorted papers, so you can create your own journal or tags or what have you. I thought this would be a beautiful package to give as a gift to somebody who's just getting into journaling or paper crafting. And they had a lot of different styles. So it came in this really beautiful craft paper envelope. And I'm just going to pull the contents out. So this could definitely be reused, or you could just keep your items stored in there. So these are all the paper ephemera pieces. This could be used as little journaling cards, or to embellish a page or make tags. I think these are just gorgeous. So fun. And they're all very vintage inspired for sure. I will have the link to everything that I have received down in my description box. So if you want to jump to that specific page and check these items out, you can. And they have a discount code for all of you to use. So definitely use that. I will have it down in my description box as well. So it also comes with these pretty little envelopes. I thought this was so fun that it had the moose, very Canadiana. And these are just so, so pretty. So I received 3 of those. And then there was these ones with the beautiful daisy on it. And there's 3 of those. And then these are like washi sheets. I thought that was so cool. So you could use these like stickers and cut them out. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then they've got these larger sheets, and these ones are double-sided, so you could really make a really beautiful page. Or I also thought these would make really pretty prints to frame, and you could just flip them over and use them for the different seasons. That's a really fun one. Love that. And then there was a couple of larger ones. Again, this could totally be framed, or it could be used as like a little journal cover. There's this one as well. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to make some things and share those with you. Okay, so for the first 2 projects, first I had altered one of those little composition books that you can get from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3. Here is what they look like, and they come with 3 different colors. I really like to alter these. They're really, really fun. So I altered one, and I had first started by covering it up with some tea-stained paper, and then I covered up the black edging with just some plain white washi tape, and then I distressed it. And then I took one of those ephemera stickers and I distressed the edges and I laid that down. And all I did on the back side was cut out one of those washi sticker mushrooms and pasted it on the back. I love this. I think it turned out so, so pretty. And then for this is actually a matchbook made out of, matchbook notebook. I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm bad with my terms, but I made this out of a manila tag, and I started off by using those wide washi stickers. Here is a piece that I have left with the green, and here is a full strip that's orange. These are so fun. I absolutely love this. So it covered the manila tag really, really well. And then on the inside, I just added a little bit here on this flap, and then I used some of the ephemera stickers on the inside just to cover those. And I added a little brad. It's a little tiny flower. Stapled some sheets in, and then you can added a string, and then you can just wrap it around. Use the little brad as a closure just to hold your string in place, like so. And that is that little project. I think this is so cute. Okay, and then I made some really fun stamps using these stamp die cuts. And I have some paper that's actually postcard paper. Here's a sample of that, what it looks like. So I knew I had this in my stash, and I knew that these would be perfect for that. But I also used some other paper, like this one here. I used some script paper, and I just embellished it with some the washi sticker again, and I used the stamp. Love this. This was beautiful. And I just stamped it to make it look like an actual enlarged stamp, but I thought it would be cute to use as a journaling card or just a really large embellishment on a page. And like I said, I made a bunch of little ones. This one here, I added some little gold stickers. So as you can see, I used a few of these gold stickers, again from Queenacraft, and you can see there the shimmer from the gold foil. And then I used the stamp on it as well. So I love how this one turned out. And then I just used the stamp and the die cut and distressed the edges of all these pieces. And then these ones, I added some of this washi sticker. This is the herbs and spice from the journal kit. Thought this was so pretty, and it fit perfectly in the little stamp image. You might not be able to see it very well, but it is there. And then I got really creative with these. I like to make shakers, and I thought it would be fun to do like a stamp shaker. So here I used that postcard scrapbook paper, and then I added some of the gold foil stickers in the background and some sequins, and they have like a really fun piece to add on a tag or on a journal page, or you know, you can just give this to somebody. Like, honestly, it's a lot of fun to play around with shakers. So yeah, I love this. Okay, and then the journaling kit. So in the journaling kit, they came with these pages that were two-sided, and you know, they're meant to use just to slip into a journal as is, and they are gorgeous. And I also thought these would be beautiful to frame, but I wanted to come up with something different. So I made some journal covers using them. And what I did was took a single page, I added some words, and this front cover here has got some butterflies. And then on the back side, I just added some words. And then I ran it through my laminator, and that created a really nice cover page for a journal. And I did the same for the back. This one here, I tried to embed a fern leaf into this. It looks cool, but it didn't quite adhere enough. So if you're going to embed something, you definitely need to use quite a bit of glue. But yeah, these pages are so fun. So I love this. You could also use these in a planner. I thought that would be really cool to use something like this as a dashboard. Yeah, just get really creative. I love this. I think it's so fun. And then I just have some upcycle grocery bags as my inserts. So yeah, I love that. I think that's just, again, such a fun idea. So go check out Queenacraft. You won't be disappointed. It really is a beautiful site. They've got gorgeous stuff, as you can see. And I want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Queenacraft, for sending me these items. I really had a lot of fun putting these projects together. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.